Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you are authorized. Get written permission or work on your own app, because modifying an APK without consent is illegal. Next, isolate your environment in a disposable VM or physical test device and keep backups. This prevents accidental data leaks. Finally, prepare harmless, non-invasive tools like APK inspection viewers and static analyzers to understand detection logic. This is about learning the why, not evading protections. Once done with setup, focus on analysis rather than bypassing. Map where the app detects VPNs, network stacks, runtime flags, or native libraries, so you understand the mechanism. Use static analysis to identify suspicious strings, permissions, or certificate pinning. Make notes and create a threat model. Make sure to record what you find. This informs legitimate remediation, reporting, or secure testing, and avoids giving anyone a recipe to evade protections unlawfully. To finish, choose responsible remediation paths. Report issues to the vendor or coordinate fixes rather than altering production APKs. Where permitted, use official SDK hooks, feature flags, or enterprise policy configurations to change behavior safely. This preserves integrity and accountability. If you must test changes in an authorized lab, restore original binaries afterward, keep detailed logs, and prepare mitigation steps. And if something goes wrong, revert to backups and inform stakeholders immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.